I missed it. Archie, what you doing? Hey, Archie.
Okay, come on, go stop. Come on. Go stopping. Come on, little stopping. Your ball's over there, Archie. The ball's over there.
Archie?
I threw the ball. Threw the ball.
What you doing?
Throw it at him.
Archie, Archie, Archie.
Are you biting me? Ow.
There you go. There you go. There you go. He ain't worried about the ball. There he goes.
He didn't think all the way he did himself. Ready?
I was saying you can train him to fetch your newspaper.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to do that. They put
ready?
They put it right in the paper
Ready?
box now.
Thank you.
Probably because my mom kept complaining that we didn't get ours, and maybe because we couldn't find
it. Thank you. Can I have it back? Or you'd rather stop?
Jesus. You got problems, dude.
You can stop him.
I don't think he realizes it's not real.
He's just playing. Puppies play.
Was he playing with his brother?
No, they were pretty wild. They were, what they call it, the little one in the family. They were getting on it and over him. They were playing wild with him.
He was a scapegoat.
No.